Visual Paradigm mainly using project file to store models and diagrams. On every save of project, an auto backup will be generated. In case your project file being corrupted, you can restore your work from auto backup files. The auto backup files are located side by side to your project. To restore your works from backup, go to Window, Application Options, General, Environment. Enable the Advanced UI Mode option. Press OK to confirm the change. You will prompt it to restart Visual Paradigm application to apply the change. Restart your Visual Paradigm application. Once restarted, go to Help, Maintenance, Restore Auto Backup, specify the problematic project file, and press Open to proceed. When the process is done, a message will be shown and let you know where the restored files located. They are stored in the Restored folder next to your project. Each backup will be restored into a full copy of the project. The one with a bigger number in file name is the newer version. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.